Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is sponsored by GLOWMODE. Thank you so much GLOWMODE for sending over these new items. Now let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications so you never miss a new upload, and give me a big thumbs up because you know this is about to be good. Alright you guys, so like I said, today's video is sponsored by GLOWMODE. It is a part of Shein, and you can shop directly on the Shein site, or you can go into Shein, type in GLOWMODE, and all of the activewear items will come up. They're winter pieces, so I'm going to show you guys some layering options, some things that will give you that winter vibe. They're a little warmer, more layered and more thermal. So the first item I'm going to show you guys, and I'm going to sit over to the side a little bit because I'm also going to insert some video so that you can see how these items look on. So the first item I'm going to share with you guys today is the crisscross top. And let me make sure I'm giving you guys the right name. So this top is called the AirPlush GLOWMODE Wrap Crop Top. When you want warmth without sweat, enter the AirPlush fabric, the ultimate cold weather base layer that offers you the best of both worlds. Ultra plush to the touch and brushed on the inside for added warmth, but infused with breathable sweat wicking elements and a light as air construction. And let's see what else. It's a crop length and it pairs perfectly with high-waisted bottoms, and the wrap front definitely flatters the figure, which it totally does. This is what the top looks like. So the outside fabric is really soft and, you know, stretchy, and then like it said, on the inside it is that brush fabric, so it definitely adds that layer of thermal and warmth. I love this. I think it fits really well. You can see in the video the fit is really nice, and of course it has the thumb holes, which I absolutely love. So the next item I want to show are the stirrup leggings. I haven't had a pair of stirrup leggings in a very long time. I think that was back when I was in elementary school. I'm not sure. It's been a while. I love that these have this mesh pocket to hold your things. And that, you know, the fit is just really nice. The great thing about these is 2 sizes fits most. But let me give you all the specs for the leggings. So these are called GLOWMODE Pedal Pusher 26-inch leggings. Oh yeah, it does say 2 sizes fit most. Thanks to the super stretchy fabric, these leggings are available in extra small to medium and large to extra large to 2X to accommodate multiple shapes and sizes. These versatile stirrups can be tucked in or worn out for added flair. Perfect for socks and boots. High stretch fabric material is a nylon and acrylic, and its hollow yarn construction and fleece lined interior will keep you warm. And this fabric does stretch in 4 ways, so it's extremely stretchy. Infused with lycra fibers and supreme stretch for softness. Comfortable to the fit and to the touch. So I definitely love these leggings. I love the shape of the stitching in the back. It's definitely flattering to your shape. I think I could have used a little bit of a larger size just for mine to be a little more comfortable. But as you can see in the video, they definitely fit, and I'm definitely going to get some wear out of them, because again, with the stirrups, it does make it a lot easier to wear these under boots and under socks and to keep them in place. So I can definitely see how these would be great for layering in the winter time, as well as the top is great for layering as well. I also got this bra. I did get this bra too large. I'm probably going to end up giving this to my daughter. She'll probably be able to fit it. So yeah, but I love the construction of the bra. It's very, very cute. I love all the little straps and things like that of the bra. Very cute. I just wish it had more adjustments so that it could fit me a little better, but all is not lost. I will definitely be giving it to my child, so keep it in the family. I do have this jacket in a green color, and I knew I would love this jacket. I love this shade of pink. It's like that soft mauvey pink. It's coming off really bright here in the video, but it's a little softer in real life. So yeah, I absolutely love this jacket. Like I said, I have it in an army green. I knew I would love this. It's really pretty, soft material, feels great on, and of course on Shein it's a great price point. Next item is this crop top sports bra. Y'all, the fit of this is perfection. Like, I love how it looks on. It looks like it's a top, not even a bra. And I just love the construction of it. You have a lot of good support in it, but it also looks like a top and not a bra. I love that. I love the shape of the neckline, and I love that these straps are nice and thick. It just feels comfortable on, and it looks great. So highly recommend this sports bra. Of course, love this. This is the cutest. I've been wearing this like crazy. I wore it to the mall. Again, layering, absolutely. These pieces are perfect for layering. You know, this time of year, you go somewhere outside, it's freezing, so you need all your layers. But then you get into the mall, you start walking around, you're getting hot, you're taking your coat off, your sweater off. So these type of pieces are perfect for this. But yeah, I love this. Somebody asked me, is that a pocket on your sleeve? I'm like, yes, it is. Isn't that cool? So it's very cute and very cool. Love this. The length of it is perfect. I was worried that the crop top would be a little too short, but it has a good length to it. I like it. And last but not least, this sweater. Again, another crop top. It's that loose fit, wide fit crop top sweater. I love the material on this. It is just so soft and bouncy. I don't know how else to describe it, but like bouncy. It feels so good on. It's so soft and just feels great. I love that it has the drawstrings and it has a nice wide hood. It feels really good on. It's soft, and it does have pockets, so you can't go wrong with pockets. And I'll definitely be getting my, you know, wear out of these, especially at this time of the year. Perfect. So thank you so much, GLOWMODE, for sending these over. Thank you for having these in your collection, because they are great pieces that I definitely love. If you guys have questions or I missed anything, leave it in the comments down below. Everything will be linked down below, as well as a coupon code for you guys. Hopefully you are staying warm, enjoying your holiday season, and I will see you guys in the next video.